Don't put new terms on me, no. I'm a very committed girl when in a relationship.
भूषण सर, इस फिल्म का ट्रेलर बहुत ही अच्छा है। दिस फिल्म इज बेस्ड ऑन अलोन, थाई फिल्म। तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा कि क्या ये फिल्म पूरी तरीके से रीमेक है या कुछ आपने चेंजेस लाए हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द बॉलीवुड व्यूअर्स इसके हिसाब से?
गुड क्वेश्चन। कुमार जी ने राइट्स लिए हैं इस फिल्म के। इट्स अ थाई फिल्म कॉल्ड अलोन। तो लेकिन वी हैव अडैप्टेड द स्क्रीन प्ले, वी हैव अडैप्टेड इट टू द इंडियन ऑडियंसेस बिकॉज़ दैट्स अ थाई फिल्म। तो उनमें जो कहानी है, जो इक्वेशंस है, इंटरपर्सनल इक्वेशंस, जो हॉरर भी है, that is catering to the Thai audiences, which is a lot different from our audiences, जो हमें पसंद है, जो हमारे audiences को पसंद है। तो basic thought वो है जो अलोन थाई अलोन में था, लेकिन I have changed a lot inside the film. So when you see the film and then you compare it to, you'll know what I'm talking about. लेकिन काफी जैसे adapted screenplay, let's put it that way. I've adapted the screenplay, changed it to my own liking.
No more TV, and you want to do a film. As you said, that script was excellent. So a cliched question to ask that, will you go back to TV again after the film?
I actually would like to clear a few things.
Yes, please.
See, I don't think there is a progression or a transition from one medium to another. It's the same art form on different mediums. So it's not, it just, we need to stop defining it or calling it a progression or a transition. You just either acting on television or you're acting in plays or you're acting in films. Your art remains the same. So saying that, it's not that I'm going to do television very soon or be on television very soon, but there are a few things that have come up that you could see me in the future.
Is there any contract with the producer, like you will be doing more films with them?
I have a 3-film contract with Kumarji, so I'm doing 3 films. Well, lucky me.
Thank you.
Vipasha, I have a question for you. Every time we think, it's time to hear the wedding bells.
And you don't hear it.
Yeah, and you say you need
Surprise
more time. So, is it that Vipasha is commitment phobic?
Don't put new terms on me, no. I'm a very committed girl. When in a relationship, I'm totally there. You all know that. So let's not discuss these kind of things, please. Have some respect. Thank you.
What about Karan?
Yeah, what about me?
I mean...
No, I don't know. You tell me what you mean.
Do you believe in this marriage?
Do I believe in the institution of marriage? Yeah, I'm having a difficult time saying it, but yes, I do. I believe in it.
Are you having problems being committed because, in the past we've seen you getting linked up to others, while being,
I'll go back to whatever I wanted to say on the topic. I've said on Twitter last night. If you could please respect me and stick to that. Thank you.
Okay, so since we ask me, I have cried in one scene. On
Not
set,
because of
while
me.
shooting, he's made me cry. Yeah, so he can scare people.
I'm not a taskmaster. It sounds.
No. In the scene, it was so scary that I actually burst out crying. He didn't know. He thought I was acting, but I actually freaked out.
ये नहीं था कि मैं छड़ी के साथ खड़ा था उसको पास, ऐसा नहीं था। वो जैसे जो देखा उसने, वो देख के वो डर गई थी।
और actually मुझे रोता देख के वो डर गए।
मैं डर गया, मैं उठा ही नहीं था, मैं कहीं और चला गया था, because I was worried as what will happen next. तो छड़ी मुझ पे पड़ेगी।
Do you believe in what he said? And कभी ऐसे हुआ है कि कोई जैसे आप you said कि एक scene करते हुए even you got scared. तो कभी while you are alone in at your house wherever कभी ऐसे हुआ कि
देखिए acting जो होती है ना, आपको आप जितना the more you experience life, the better actor you become. So it's about your own emotions. So fear is also a very integral emotion of your life. And अगर आप डरोगे तो आप उसको अच्छा, अगर आप समझ पाओगे कि डर क्या होता है, then you'll be able to express it. So it's very important, like he said, you have to believe in the things that you do. And yes, I get scared very easily. So I do it really well.
Not alone, she gets scared in the crowd.
Yeah, I get scared all the time.
Vipasha?
Well, पहली बार मैं एक ट्विन रोल कर रही हूँ जहाँ पे दोनों बहनों का रोल मैं कर रही हूँ. They're conjoined और 2 किस्म की लड़कियाँ हैं, संजना और अंजना. So बहुत ही challenging रहा क्योंकि एक love story है, एक between a man, woman and a ghost, and I played 2 characters in the film. So it is a very interesting screenplay, and it's definitely I really enjoy doing this film.
Bipasha, here. Bipasha.
Members of the media, last two questions.
Bipasha,
Last two questions.
Bipasha.